Culture appropriation is the adoption of elements of one culture by member of a different culture group, especially if the adoption is an opposed group culture element by member of the dominant culture. Culture appropriation can be demanding to cultures and heritage you are taking from. It's harmful because it promotes racism, even if that wasn't your intention in the first place. It is disrespectful. It portrays and reinforces stereotypes. It makes culture into costume. Culture appropriation makes monk of people. It washes away beautiful history and meanings. It tries to remove value of people, cultures. Many people may participate in culture appropriation unknowing, which is why education is so important. With the video, we want everyone to be aware of impact culture appropriation.
Hi, my name is Jasmines Poster. I am from Philippines and I study at University of Manila. The project we did today is about culture appropriation. This is the poster. For my hobbies, I like to do art because it inspires people to take actions on their opinions, on a political belief, or it helps them heal through trauma or relax. And today, like in Need Center, we did a project and we did this poster. The topic we choose is culture appropriation, and the mediums I use is illustration and typography. I use Photoshop and Medibang for like the poster. And the headline says our culture is not a trend. It means to respect our culture and learn more about it, because our culture is very beautiful and it is something not to use as an aesthetic. It's also there's a reason why how we dress, and there's a story behind it. It's not because like it's just like beautiful. It's not just because like we wear it. There's like always a reason because of it. And like the people inside the poster like are different, like diversities. There's like people from the Philippines, from Jamaica, and from Canada. This is Miss Michelle. She's an indigenous person. And this is like a friend of mine. She's from Kolkata, from India. She's Muslim. And like on the left side and the right side, it says learn about our culture, and it says also culture appropriation. And what I want to deliver to people is that always keep learning and like unlearn, and like to always be informed on like what's like around you. And I hope like this inspires you. Thank you very much.
My name is Lula Abdallah. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm grade 11. I like reading. I use skeleton because if our body had no skin, there would be no racism, because we are all the same. And I use Illustrator and Photoshop. I want people to understand if there's where only one people in the world with the same skin or the same culture, the world is gonna be like boring, and like there's no new thing. I think it can show that we have to respect each other and support each other, even learn others' language or culture. I choose the color like to show the color of people, like white, black. Racism is like everywhere. So if people they get education, they can realize that it's not a good thing, and they can stop that, and they can be voice for others.
Hi, my name is Moyan. I'm from Nigeria. I speak Yoruba. I'm going to grade 12 next year. My hobbies are listening to music, hanging out with friends, and playing games. My topic is about culture inspires me. My culture is really important to me. Picture that shows a woman wearing a dress, which means women has their own rights to cover their hair. In my religion, Christianity, women and children has their rights to cover their hair when going to church. My Nigerian flag represents a giving nature. The two green flags represent natural wealth, and white represent peace and unity. Everyone should give full support to the language because it's really important to them. If someone disrespect my culture, it will be like, I would say I would be really sad because they didn't like give respect to it because it's my language. And if anyone like want me to know about my language, like learn it, I actually have a lot of people that I teach how to speak my language, and then even though they don't know how to speak it, but like they go for it and then they did it. It is how my culture is really important to me and to my family. Important because culture is really matters to humanity, and everyone should have support and give respect to the language. I want people to take understanding, like they should understand what my culture really is, and they should give respect to it because it's really important to everyone to have culture and to have language.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Patrick. I'm from Africa, and here I'm going to present you my work. I'm going to present it about bullying, Pink Shirt Day. In Canada, we always celebrate Pink Shirt Day. Pink Shirt Day is celebrated in Canada to start from 2006 here in Canada, when 10 kids was arrested because of wearing pink t-shirt. So what I want to say is, you never look good trying to make someone else look bad. The reason why I put style just is because now, when you think about stars, we see something shine. So the reason why I put those stars is because their goals now has become true, has been fulfilled. In 2021 now, if you bully someone any place where you are or anywhere you are, someone has to stand and make an action. That's the reason and the biggest reason that I was thinking to put stars in the middle right there. And mostly I put 2021 as the year that we are in. I want to talk about culture preparation. Well, I'm gonna give an example about bullying in cultures. We're here in Canada. We know Canada is contained with a lot of cultures, a lot of people who come from different places. So if we all have to live together, we have to respect the culture of another one, because every human being, here in nature, everyone depends to another one. So if we have to bully someone because of his culture, I'm gonna give for example, as you can see me, I'm wearing this clothes. This clothes actually it's African clothes, it's called kitenge. If someone come and told me, oh Patrick, this kitenge doesn't really suit you, this kitenge, nah, I don't really like it, which is my culture, I would just feel someone told me yeah, your culture, nah, it's not that good. So that is a kind of bullying. I feel like you are bullying me, you are harassing me if you did something like that. Bullying is not only action, or bullying is not like to insult someone. Bullying may even be by culture. Don't ever say about anything about culture of another person when you don't know about it. That is something I can say about culture, even in the culture that there is bullying stuff. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Patricia. I'm 16 years old. I'm in grade 11, and today I'm going to be talking about cultural diversity. I'll begin by describing my image. My image includes people from different culture, religion, racial, and ethnic origin. When we all unite as one, we are more powerful. The message from my image is that cultural differences should not separate us from each other, but rather cultural diversity brings a collective strength that can benefit all of humanity. So in my school, we celebrate Black History Month every February, which is amazing. And seeing people from different cultures coming together to celebrate with us makes it so much better. What I want people to take away from this video is that we can all be one, and without diversity, life would be so boring. A lot of different flowers makes a bouquet, and when everyone are included, everyone wins. The greater the diversity, the greater the perfection. In conclusion, it is our responsibility to preserve the cultural diversity that exists in our society. Raise your voices against discrimination and the practice of illegal acts under the name of promoting cultural diversity to sustain a better living condition for ourselves and the world around us. The beauty of the world lies in the diversity of its people.